First time niyo ba mag-perform together? Tama?
Yes, yes.
Anong i-expect ng mga fans niyo?
A whole range of music from yung mga genre ni Richard and sa mga 80s genre din, which is on my side, 80s, 90s.
Okay.
Yung mga pop. And
Okay.
so it's a whole lot of love songs that you love to hear from before. We're going to feature all of those songs.
Okay, Richard.
Ako naman, I think a lot of people want to see Richard and Jody sing together. And kami naman ni Maricar singing together. So all four of us will be on stage for a special number dun sa concert. So
Nabanggit niyo rin kanina gumagawa kayo ng album together.
Yes, album. Sana the goal is to have the album released sana on the concert, on the night,
Okay.
para at least people can buy after the show. They can get their, parang pasalubong or their memories of the, of the concert. So yun ang inaayos ngayon, ang Star.
Okay. May duet ba yan? Or may magkasama kayo?
I think merong isang duet na inaayos. I hope matuloy.
Okay.
Are you friends?
Yes. Hindi. Actually, I hate him so much. Nakuha ba yan? Nakuha ba yan sa video?
Sir, for the record, yung mga guests niyo hindi pa final. Pero yung mga shirts sila, Maricar.
Sure, Maricar and
Jody. Pero the rest po on the
The
front.
rest, we're still trying to get
Depending
confirmation.
on their schedule.
Schedule talaga ang
For the record, sino po yung mga inaayos? Janela.
Janela, Boys Next Door, Kyle, Bailey, and JK. And sino pa ba? Yun ang main na hinahabol namin talaga ngayon.
Okay. Paano ang hatian ng songs? Kasi almost pareho kayo ng ng genre.
Well, ano naman, actually, yung
Same number of songs.
same number of songs. May start, middle, finish kami magkasama kami, multiple songs. Pero may set ako with my big band, mga 90s horn sila. And then si Richard, with his type of music, 80s, 90s naman, may set din siya. So, may hati naman.
Richard, may song bang common na paborito niyong dalawa na nagkausap kung sino na lang ang kakanta? May nagbigay ba? May ganun?
Wala naman. May Pero yung mga songs kasi na kinakanta ko, kinakanta rin niya. Pero iba yung arrangement nila. So, we have songs which are, which we both love to sing also.
Dun sa part na makasama si Jody, kasama si Maricar, ano yung i-expect ng mga audience doon? Ito ba yung mga songs na personal na malapit sa inyo? Ganun?
I think more of it will be might be Jose Marichan song because of Please Be Careful, and then ako I sing Beautiful Girl in Chinese English. So let's see. I think the arranger is planning Jose Marichan for all four of us.
Okay. Anong pakiramdam ni Jody nung in-invite mo siya na makakapag-concert siya?
Oh, she was very happy kasi Jody has a very good voice, but she doesn't want to admit it. Yan siya, reluctant singer, pero she has a very good voice. So when I told her na mag-guest ka naman sa amin, sabi niya she was very happy.
Okay.
Excited din siya.
Pero po bang po, duet-duet lang po, or apat po kayong kakanta together? May ganun po ba?
Lahat ng sinabi mo. May duet, solo-solo, sabay-sabay. Yan. Kasama yan.
Okay.